As the holiday season continues, I want to give you my tips on how to style your mantel fireplace. Tip number 1, pick a garland style and add lights. In this case, I wanted it flocked because it matches my tree. This one is from King of Christmas and it comes in a set of 4, as you see here, 2 little trees, and then it comes with a garland and the wreath. What I love the most is that it comes pre-lit, saving you time when adding the garland into your mantel. Next, we will use command hooks. These ones are the 2-pound ones. They're very light because this garland is not heavy. After we hung our garland, now it's time to decorate it. And we start with the corners, and I started adding my florals. You can pick any flowers that you want, magnolias, poinsettias. Now it's time to move to the ornaments, and I always recommend using the long ornaments that drop because it's going to give you a long visual of the mantle that is dripping. Next, we'll move on to the round ornaments, and I'm using these ones, are also from my online store. And I love them because they have these applications. They're just super pretty. And as you can see, it's pretty easy because the garland is already pre-lit, so it saves you time and it also looks better. I will go ahead and leave you guys a link with everything that I'm using on this video. Tip number 3, when it comes to the mantle, you can pick any type of figurines or you could use Baltic candles. In this case, I wanted something very simple. I picked up this reindeer at Michael's last year. And the 2 nutcrackers are from Big Lots. You probably saw different flowers on the actual garland, and I decided to change it around and add some of the larger size ones on the corners and the smaller ones in the middle to make the focal point. I also wanted to add these picks. This is a great idea for you to give the garland that sense of like that is falling off. And these are my tips to style a fireplace. Pretty simple, right? And so where are you at in this journey of decorating for Christmas? Did you start it? Do you do it after Thanksgiving or you do it before? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know more about where are you right now decorating. And if you want to give extra height to any of the ornaments or items that you're using, I recommend you to use either designer books or in this case, I'm using just an empty box from the Dollar Tree that matches kind of like blends in together with the colors. Enjoyed this video and found value, make sure to share with your friends and family and give me a thumbs up so I know how much you loved it. And I would also love to have you here on my channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to connect with you in a different level in the other social media platforms, in Pinterest, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. New living room tour is coming up soon, so you can see my whole Christmas decor through this entire living room. So stay tuned for that.